We're at the birthplace of the Dodge Challenger and its third generation at Brampton, Ontario assembly plant of Chrysler. So let's check out inside what they have for us. Maybe a surprise. We're here finally in the assembly plant of the Dodge Challenger and Chargers and 300. We're in the birthplace of the LX platform in Brampton, Ontario. And let's take a look inside. I know it's private access. We won't be able to join the assembly line, but let's go check the display there if there's something special for us. Hi. Mind if I take a look? Thank you. Oh! Look at that beauty. Check out the VIN number on this one. Probably one of the first few ones. This is the 1349. 1349 probably is the last one made for Canada. It's just fabulous. Original 2011, I think, was the release with the white. All signed by everyone here in the assembly plant. Home of the demon. Home of the demon. That's nice. What do we got here? J.D. Power and Associates. Dodge Challenger. Mid-size sports car 2011. 2014. Highest initial quality. Highest rank appeal. 2011. That doesn't change. Mid-size sports utility, highest quality. Another motor training car here in the Chrysler. Motor training car here, Chrysler M as well. Commodore, Dodge Challenger, most appealing midsize sports car 2009. Fancy environment. Nice. Ministry of Interior, State of Kuwait. Brampton Assembly Plant. Very nice. So there you got it. You have it, guys. It's a limited access, so we're not going to be able to see any more of this. But very happy I was actually be able to make it to see the demon. I never saw it in real, so really nice to see one.